Good morning. Today we're going to take a quick walk into Inventor Pro Autodesk. How to create a 2D and transform it to 2D into 3D. And then how to build objects in the 3D format by combining 2D materials. Why this is important? Because this is the method you're going to use to design your catapult in Autodesk Inventor. So first you open Inventor Autodesk 2016 and then you go to new. You click on new. Once you click on new, for 2D, you want to click on standard.rpt. Once you click on that, hit create. Sorry about this, my computer is kind of slow. So from that step, what you're going to do next is click on the sketch path in the upper right corner, in the upper left corner rather. And then use your X and your Y plane. Once you're done with that, you use all those features right here to draw your design to the structure that you want. Let's say I want to create a rectangle, a wood. Once you're done with that, you click finish. You click this angle right here to bring your object closer, and you hit extrude. You adjust your extrude to your desired figure. That's 0.25. Extrude 0.25. Then once you're done with that, if you want this to be symmetric in both directions, you can hit it this way. But for you see how it appears right there? That's symmetric in both directions. But for now, you just want one direction, and then you always want to be in solid. Once you're done with this, you are done with your object. So you got to build it piece by piece, and then you save it. Just I said, like when you're building the catapult in real life situation, you're gonna buy the wood, and you're gonna have it piece by piece, and then you're gonna join those pieces together to create a component of the catapult, and then you're going to join those components together to create the real catapult. In similar sense, that's how you work with Inventor Pro. So you name this let's say I don't like this. Let's say we name this wood. Come on, wood number 1. So name this wood number 1. We save it. That's already saved. You go back to your home. follow the same process again. Add standard.apt, create, start with your 2D. Always use your X and your Y plane. To save time, you can use this. There are various functions in here. Let's say we want to use a polygon. Yes, stay solid. Once you're done with your sketch, you hit finish sketch. Bring your object in your view. And the next thing, to transform it from 2D to 3D, you hit extrude. And you adjust your extrude 0.25. And then you hit OK. And then you save your work again. Always don't forget to save your work. And then let's say we name this wood number 2. Wood number 2. Once you're done with that, you go back to home. And this time around, you click assembly, because you want to assemble those two pieces together. Hit assemble. And then you go right to the upper left corner, hit the drop box, and you click on place. You scroll down to the object you just created with 1. You open. Now watch this. You can create as much as you want with your wood, but for now let's stick with 1. So once you're done with the amount of wood you need, you click escape, and then always want to adjust your angle, and then go back again to place for the next item you want to combine with your wood. Wood tool, open again, hit and press escape, and then always hit this to get a clear view on what you're doing. And then the next thing you want to do is constrain. You want to constrain your object. Constrain, just put your, it's like whenever you want to build something, you always put what you want to nail to the wood. What you're gonna do first is you're gonna put that wood in a spot where you want to nail it, and then from there you can nail it. So this is what constraint is. You want to nail this right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this, and then you're gonna click where you want it to nail it. It's gonna stick right there, and then you click apply. You change your you can always change your view. So now you see, like, it's there. All this can do is move in the X and the Y plane. So once you do this, you already have your object where you want it to be. So the next thing you want to do is click join. Now join is like you're screwing this piece to this piece. So once you click join, always want to always want to have a clear view. So let's say a view like this. Hit join. Hit this where you want to nail it in the center. So to this where you want to nail it in the center. Once you hit that, you want to keep it in rigid, and then you click OK. Once you click OK, now your object is there. It's nailed onto this thing. Anywhere you move this, it's going to move along with it. So this is all for this tutorial. Thank you for your patience. Assemble number wood